Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good pumpkin pie cheesecake. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start off with half or a full bag of graham crackers. And we're going to do a half of a bag of graham crackers. So a full bag and then a half. It's on. Anyways. Graham cracker crust. 2 teaspoons of sugar, or tablespoons of sugar, sorry. 2 tablespoons, about 6 tablespoons. Okay, we're going to put this into that stove for about 8 minutes, for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. Then we'll come back. We're going to start on our other filling. Okay, now we're going to put some, we got 3 room temperature cream cheese. And we're going to add a 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And we're just going to mix this up really good. Okay, we're going to start off with putting 1 egg in. You won't put 4 in altogether, but start off with 1. It's very important to do 1 at a time. Okay. After putting that in, you will put 1 more egg. That makes 4. Next, you want to put full can of 15-ounce pureed, pumpkin puree. I want to put 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, I want to put a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, I just want to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I want to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons. Okay, now we're just going to smooth this out as best we can. Now I don't have a water bath pan that I could put this in a pot, so it might have a crack when it's done, but I promise you it'll still be just as good. Kind of hate that it might have a crack. Hopefully it won't, but most likely it will because I don't have nothing to help it. Okay, we're going to put this into a 400. Okay, I just pulled this out of the oven and it does got some cracks in it, pretty good sized ones, but I guarantee you it's going to be delicious. Well, now we're going to have to cut into this because it's a good piece. I don't have no cracks in it. I don't want a big piece. I just want a good sized piece right there. And here we go with this. Look at that! Oh my god. Okay, now we're just going to do a taste test on this. Get a little bit of that whipped cream up there. Cut into that. Look at that. Now look at that. Get the whipped cream back on there. Oh my god. That is so good. So delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that beauty? See, it don't matter if it's a little bit of cracks in it, it's still good. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.